chasing thrills, but never taking blame. Thought you'd hide the lies in your parade, but every kiss you stole's a mess you made. Now the truth hits hard like a midnight train. You can't drown the guilt in whiskey rain. Boy, you'll never outrun all the pain, 'cause my face still lingers in your brain. Everywhere you go, I'm the ghost on your skin, reminding you of love you'll never have again. The more you run fast, the louder it remains, a shadow you can't shake, no matter the terrain. You're living haunted by a memory stronger than a hurricane. She don't know the price of a borrowed kiss, but your hands still ache for the fire you miss. Every song on the radio screams my name. Every night in her arms feels cold and lame. Thought I'd break down, thought I'd lose my fight, but I glow brighter when you lost my light. Now you're trapped, replaying every chain, with a love that cuts like a hurricane. Everywhere you go, I'm the ghost on your skin, reminding you of love you'll never have again. The more you run fast, the louder it remains, a shadow you can't shake, no matter the terrain. You're living haunted by a memory stronger than a hurricane. You'll taste regret in the bourbon burn. Every corner you take, it's still my turn. You built the storm, but I'm the rain, forever etched like a scar in your veins. Everywhere you go, I'm the ghost on your skin, remind